Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kamran Hussain from Bangladesh. Now I receive a refrigerator inverter circuit. It's a hitachi refrigerator inverter circuit. Actually, this circuit have no power, and they had MIP 2K3. MIP 2K3 is not available in our market. That's why we are bypassing this motherboard. We have put here a BIP 22 and we are bypassing some track on this board, like this IC is 1 and 2 number pin is ground, 3 number is feedback, 4 number is VCC. I connect 3 number pin direct with PC's pin number 3 and 4 number pin connect with chopper VCC and PC pin number 4. And there have another function. There had original system. When start this motherboard, this section there have a NPN transistor, and this section generate 15 volt for IPM. But when I bypass this circuit, now not generate this 15 volt. That's why I also bypassing and making a little bit circuit. I put a 4007 diode, 1R chopper VCC with chopper track, and another pin connect with this NPN transistor collector pin. Now I show you. I connect 220 on this motherboard, and you can see on our multimeter here is 12 volt present, and now we are checking our IPM voltage 15 volt. You can see here showing 14 point something, that's mean 15 volt is present. And now our light is blinking. You can see light is blinking. That's mean our circuit is now ready to go, and there have a track for 5 volt start off for MCU. Yes, there 5 volt is present. Input voltage is 12 volt. You can see here mention this voltage 5 volt. Here mention this 5 volt, and here mention 15 volt. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you want to get this type video, please subscribe my channel and press bell button.